right, so now next thing I want to do is I'm going to go over simplifying expressions, and we're going to talk about setting up for graphing. It's going to be a two-part lesson. So we're going to do part one today, where we kind of establish the fundamentals of graphing. We'll talk about what vertical asymptotes and holes mean later, like graphically, but today we're just going to talk about how to find them, okay? So what you're going to do here is you're going to find, you're going to factor the top and the bottom. So x squared minus 9, x plus 3, x minus 3, divided by what multiplies to 18 and adds to 9. What about 3 and 6? 3 times 6 is 18, 3 plus 6 is 9. This cancels, so I'm left with x minus 3 divided by x plus 6. So that's the simplified, okay? Now I'm going to ask myself, how do I find the vertical asymptote? So vertical asymptote, make sure I spelled this right. That's what makes the bottom equal 0, okay? So I'm going to set x plus 6 equal to 0. Subtract 6, x equals negative 6. So there's my vertical asymptote, okay? So that's the vertical asymptote. I'm going to put VA by there. Okay? Now, for the whole is what makes the bottom equal 0 from what cancels. From what cancels. So x plus 3 canceled. If you don't have anything canceled, that means you won't have a whole. Subtract 3, x equals negative 3 is my whole. I have a whole, I'm going to have a whole at x equals negative 3. Okay, let's go to the next one. X minus 5 here. What multiplies to 25 and adds negative 10? That'd be negative 5 and negative 5. So x minus 5. Okay, so this cancels here. So I'm left with 1 divided by x minus 5. All right, so I'm going to ask myself, the vertical asymptote is what makes, I'm going to put VA. I'm going to set x minus 5 equal to 0. Add 5. I'm going to have an x equals 5. Now for the whole here, I'd have it technically be the same spot because I'd have a hole there, but that's not going to really matter here on this one. It's a little tricky. This is kind of a tricky example, so I'm not going to worry about putting the hole because the hole would be at 5 too, but there's going to be an asymptote there. And I'll explain, you'll get to see in the next lesson what that looks like. On this next one, I'm going to factor the top and the bottom. So x minus x plus 7, x minus 7 divided by x plus 7. X plus 7's cancel, and you're left with x minus 7. Now, is there anything left on bottom? No. So there's no vertical asymptote. But we do have a hole, okay? We have a hole whenever x plus 7 equals 0, because that's on the bottom, what makes the bottom equal 0 from what canceled. Subtract 7, we have a hole at x equals negative 7. Okay, so the hole is at x equals negative 7. All right, next one, we're going to factor the top. What's 3x squared and 18 have in common? That would be 3. I'm thinking I meant to do something different here. Let me see if I change this to, I bet I wanted this to be 27. Let's change that to 27. Okay, x squared minus 9. I think I made a mistake here because I think I wanted this to factor the x plus 3, x minus 3 to be a difference of 2 squares. Okay, divided by what multiplies to negative 12 and adds negative 1. What about x minus 3, x plus 4? Okay, so x minus 3's cancel, so it's going to be 3 times x plus 3 divided by x plus 4. Okay, so there's my final expression. I didn't mean to circle that, but that is simplifying it. I apologize. Now the vertical asymptote, I should have just abbreviated. So what makes x plus 4 equals 0? What makes the bottom equal 0? Subtract 4, x equals negative 4. The whole is from what cancels, so we have a whole at x minus 3 equals 0. So we'll add 3, we get a whole at x equals 3.